I want to share with you some personal branding tools that I think are absolutely magnificent. So in social media, I am on LinkedIn, the most professional social platform there is. I have, like I mentioned, YouTube videos. I'm on Twitter. Twitter, again, is, more of an intellectual platform where you're posting insights, industry insights, where you're posting, it could be stats, it could be your opinion, it could be your angle in your expertise. Facebook is more social. You can let your hair down a little bit, take off your heels. If I'm talking to a woman right now, a place where you can loosen your tie and just, be you, be comfortable. But remember, everywhere you post, everywhere you are, people judge you. And personal branding is actually about the image and the impression people have of you. So whatever you do, whatever place you find yourself, whether in person or online, remember, I will be judged by the market. They will create a certain image or impression of myself. Therefore, feed them. Teach them how to perceive you by how you post on Facebook and Instagram, where Instagram is mostly about images that come with captions of videos and even little mini blogs that you would put for people to hear a little bit more about what you're thinking, experiences you've had. It's more storytelling as a platform. Linktree is an amazing, amazing tool to be able to share all the links. So if you have books and you have a YouTube channel and you have a blog and you have a podcast and you have a website and you have this product and the other, Linktree allows you to share all those links on Instagram. Otherwise, the Instagram profile only allows you to put one link. So Linktree is a beautiful place where you can collect your entire portfolio of services for people to access. Later, just as the name suggests, allows you to post on Instagram later. And so you can schedule months in advance content for all kinds of areas that you want to teach people on, that you want to share with, that you want to continuously assert your presence and credibility and relatability. You can do that on later.com. Canva is my go-to creative design platform. Canva.com allows me to create posts and flyers and my CVs and company profile and logos. It has the full portfolio, the full gamut. So I would recommend, for a professional, creative, beautiful finish that absolutely wows your target audience, that you consider using Canva. Pexels is where you can get free images. Big View allows you to present with a teleprompter. And so you prepared your script and you're reading the script even as you deliver. Makes you come out very, very professional. For productivity, working with other people, working with teams, I use Monday.com to allow me to see all the different projects. So I have all my clients on Monday.com, all my appointments, the tasks that either side has to do, the due dates. We're able to email, we're able to share documents, we're able to see statuses, we're able to get prompts. It's amazing. DocuSign, you need to get documents out to be signed. You're not shipping anything anywhere. You can easily do this. People can sign on the document online and the deal is sealed. I mentioned Dropbox and Google before. It has a whole suite of places where you can, of storage and organization, where you can have your different documents accessible wherever you are. I've already spoken about Canva and LinkedIn for career and for business. You want to schedule your appointments. You want, those people come to you and say, can I pick your brain? Can I just get your advice on? And you're thinking, I'm getting a lot of advice and I'm not really being paid for it. People are running with things and going off and taking off. Well, those days are gone. You can set up an account on Acuity Scheduling. And not only can people book and see your calendar availability, but as soon as they book, they also are prompted to pay. So there you are, whether it's half an hour of your time, an hour or more, you can now charge for that expert advice you've been giving for free. Wix.com and WordPress are amazing to create websites that even a person like myself who may not have the design software tech skills does. I'm able to update my websites when I can't get my tech person to do that. We've already spoken about Pexels and Big View. Zoom is what we're using right now to record this amazing webinar. So you can do that as well. They have a free package. Mine is paid, and it doesn't even cost that much. But it gives you such a professional platform where you want to present, connect with people. You know, their packages got to a point where you can have limitless number of viewers and interactions that are seamless in delivery. I've spoken about Canva. Wave accounting helps you invoice and keep track of your invoices, send reminders and send receipts, and it really is a beautiful place for you to appear organized as a business when you're engaging with others. And PayPal obviously is one of the many payment methods that people can use to pay you, but it's one of those universal ones that I would recommend you open an account to engage with.